Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Crypto Time. I hope you're all having an amazing and wonderful day. Firstly, I need to thank you guys for over 4,000 subscribers. That is insane. Just saying that number is kind of crazy and surreal to me. So thank you guys for over 4,000 subscribers. It really does mean a lot to me, and I can't thank you guys enough for all the support on the channel. Now what today's video is going to be about is it's kind of going to be about the market as a whole, but I'm going to be focusing on Bitcoin because the market does tend to follow Bitcoin very closely. So I am going to be focusing on Bitcoin, but just keep in mind that I'm kind of encompassing the market as I'm doing this. And the video is definitely going to be focused for US based investors. Now I know that the US market is not the biggest market in crypto. It's not even close. Asia is gigantic. However, just keep in mind that I'm going to be basing most of what I'm saying on the US market. Also, I know I'm going to get some comments of, this video is speculation. You don't give us any facts about when the market's going to go. Okay, nobody knows the exact date, the exact time that the market is going to start recovering and rebounding, okay? So get that thought out of your head. Yes, this video is speculation. Of course it is. Just about every single crypto video on YouTube is speculation. So just know that going in, okay? I'm sure I'm still going to get comments like that. That's fine, whatever. I don't care, but, you know, I just wanted to get that out of the way. So, nothing's really looking good today. Wow, Tron is 5 cents now. That kind of caught me off guard. I didn't even know about that. Wow, 5 cents. Whoo, boy. Okay. Anyways, that kind of caught me off guard. Litecoin's 160. Yikes. Yeah, not looking like a good day. Oh, Ripple, come on. Stay above $1, baby. Stay above $1. Ethereum, I need to make a video on Ethereum in the next couple of days because Ethereum's resistance is mind-boggling. But anyways, what today's video is going to be about is we're going to be talking about when I think the market is going to recover and why. And we're going to be taking a look at every other year in correlation to this year because they are very similar. And I think this is going to calm a lot of people's nerves because the charts are so similar. So we're going to start with 2016. And in 2016, as you can see, we have a very bearish start. A very bearish start in the beginning of the year. And around April-ish, February, March time, it starts taking off. We start to see a couple runs, and then about May, we see some bull runs, and the market stays pretty stable and increases throughout the year. Again, literally almost the same exact chart in 2017. Starts off a bit bearish. Around the months of February, March, April, May, we see it take off. Okay, again, same exact chart. And then, of course, we see the follow-through, all the way to 2018. Now, what's happening the first couple months of 2018? We see very bearish. Now, what's the reason for this? The market cap is literally probably 5, 6, or 7 times what it was last year. So, of course, the crash is going to be so severe because there's so much money involved right now. But what that also means is there's going to be even a more severe recovery and rebound from this crash, and the follow-through is going to be more severe because there's so much more money, there's so many more people involved in cryptocurrency. Now, what a lot of people are attributing this time to is the tax season, and if you guys don't know, the tax season is between January 1st and April 15th. Right here, I believe it's April 17th this year, but I'm just going to read this off to you guys really quick. So the definition of tax season, so let me read this here to you guys. So the definition of tax season is the time period between January 1st and April 15th of each year in which individuals traditionally prepare the previous year's financial statements and reports. In the United States, individuals must file their annual tax return by April 15th of the year following the reportable earnings. So what does this tax season mean? Well, it is the point where you have to file your taxes, and that is not a very fun activity, okay? It's not a fun thing to do. However, you can also receive your tax returns. This year it's going to be on January 29th, 2018. So about right now, because we're at January 31st, is when it kind of starts. So what are we going to see through these following months? February, March, April, May. Where you're going to see people have extra income, extra money. Those tax returns sometimes are very significant. Now, you know, for people my age, we're not really going to get too much, but if you're in your maybe 30s or 40s or 20s or 50s or whatever, your tax returns are usually fairly significant, especially if you have, you know, a job year-round and it's a stable job and you know, you pay your taxes and everything. You are going to have a pretty significant tax return. And what a lot of people, I think, I do know that a lot of people put their tax returns into stocks or into other investments, silver, gold, whatever, but I think that this huge array of media that we've gotten over these past couple months of, is it a bubble, is it going to go up, is it going to go down, Ripple's price is this, Litecoin's price is this, Ethereum's price is this, Bitcoin's price is this, is this new Bitcoin, is that the new Bitcoin? And I think there's just so much media around the cryptocurrency market right now that this is the hot investment. Cryptocurrency is 100%, cryptocurrency is 100% the hot market right now. So what I think a lot of people are going to be doing over these next couple months is they're going to be taking that tax return and putting it into cryptocurrency. If it's people who are already in it, if it's people who are planning on getting into cryptocurrency but didn't have enough money, now they have a little extra money to throw around, as well as, now I know this is a weak reason, but I do honestly think that it is a variable to this, but as well as the time of year and the weather. So especially in the United States, these months, you know, December, January, February, are very cold, very dreary, very wet, very short days, and it's hard to feel good about your surroundings during this time. So these months of April, May, June, July, you're really getting into the summer. The weather is warm, the days are longer, it's bright outside, you just feel better about yourself. And although we always say, you know, take emotion out of investing, 100% the time of year definitely goes into how much money you're going to spend, how much you want to put into this, or how much you don't want to put into this. So now, of course, the tax season, the tax returns are a bigger takeaway here than the weather, but I do honestly think that that's a variable. So I definitely do think the market is going to recover, guys. I think towards the end of February, maybe mid-February, we're going to see some really great recovery from a lot of coins, hopefully. I do think the months going to April, May, June, July, those are going to be amazing months for crypto. Oh my God, I'm so excited for the summer of 2018 for cryptocurrency. I think we're going to have an amazing summer. I think a lot of people are going to be making a lot of money in crypto in the summer, and I just can't wait because the channel is going great, the community we're building is going great, as well as if you guys want to join the Discord in the description, make sure to do that. But I really wouldn't worry, guys. I really would not sell right now because you're going to be kicking yourself in the butt in 5 months if you do sell. So make sure to not sell your coins for lows, guys. Just keep holding. I know it's hard to be patient in a market like this when things can happen just so quick and they don't. So please just hold on to your coins, guys. Make rational, logical decisions. Of course, this video is speculation. I told you guys that. There are not many hard facts in this video. It's simply what I think is going to happen and what I think are the causes of certain things happening, as well as I'm just talking about the US market. So keep all that in mind when you're watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next. Till then, everybody, see ya.